Hi guys, we received these POWEROWL rechargeable batteries. They are on AA and it comes obviously 8 batteries and the actual charging base. It's really nice. Let's open them. Okay, one. Take it like this. I'm gonna place them right now. There they are. It comes with the instruction manuals, which is really nice. A usual manual. And the cable to connect it, it's a micro USB to connect it in here. I've got a connection right here, so let's use it. Plug it in. Turns on. Let's see what says that color red is for. Okay, when the LEDs are in red, it means that they are charging. But let's test if they have a little bit of battery. I've got my Xbox controller in here. And replace the old batteries. This goes like this one, like this, and this one, this. You can see it turns on. Okay, it's searching my Xbox. I've got it unplugged right now, but they are working perfect. So they're really nice. I like that it's an 8-pack because you ain't gonna run out. Usually you just use well, 2 batteries when they are AA, 2 maximum 4, but you can always have a stock of charging batteries around you when you have the 8 charging at the same time. And when the LED turns green, it tells you that they are already charged, which is really nice, and I really like them. So yeah.